ecstasy, sweet like cotton.
Hey, it's Faye and this is Day with Faye. In this video, I'm going to be reviewing my Ana Luisa jewelry. Timestamps are going to be in the description below. If you're looking for a specific piece of information, it's there. I got you guys. And while you're here, why not subscribe? So I had this chance to partner with Ana Luisa Jewelry and I was super excited because they are a carbon neutral jewelry company and they're pretty affordable for the quality that they have. They started at around $39 and I'm always here for that. When I hear sustainability, when I hear affordability, that is music to my ears. And with my code, DayWithFaye10, you get 10% off your whole entire order. So I am partnered with Ana Luisa, but as always, my opinions are 100% my own. So first up, we have the Paris jewelry. Now, each little jewelry comes with this freaking cute case. This is for the earrings and they're magnetic, so it's really good for when you travel. I'm all about that. So I'm really into these minimalistic, cute, dainty jewelry. That's all about what Ana Luisa is about. They have something for everyone. Let me put on these babies. Sometimes earrings are really hard for me to put on because I had my earrings done by Claire's when I was little. Those little nail guns, they don't make smooth holes. They're very rigid and I don't know, really hard to put earrings on for me sometimes. So if you're a parent watching this, don't get your kids earrings through Claire's. Do it through a tattoo shop, something reputable. Look how cute and elevated that is. I'm super duper obsessed with these. I think that this is the perfect size. This is something that you could wear with everything, but they feel very luxurious. They feel good quality. They don't feel cheap. Sometimes you get the jewelry from certain stores and it feels so brittle and that it's gonna basically last 2 seconds. That is not what I'm getting from these. These feel heavy in a good way. So these are 14K gold on brass, cubic zirconia. The thickness is 3.4 millimeters to 0.1 inches. It weighs 5.2 grams and the diameter is 0.8 inches. I give these earrings a beautiful 5 out of 5 because they're so cute and I think I'm gonna wear them all. Next up, we're gonna do the Hannah necklace. It's 14K gold on brass, and the gem here is mother of pearl. It weighs 4.2 grams, and the length is 18 inches long, and it has like an extender of 2 inches. So you have these two options for length. So yeah, this necklace is super dainty and simple, but also gives that extra, I don't know, like I love how small it is, but when you look at it, it has this beautiful tiny little rose in there. I think that's really cute. And it kind of reminds me of Bridgerton jewelry. So I think that I'm going to be wearing this to the Bridgerton ball I'm going to be going to in a few weeks and I'm super excited for, but who knows, maybe this will be the accessory that makes me the diamond of the season. I give this necklace a beautiful 5 out of 5. I am such a necklace fiend, huge obsession with necklaces. Next up, we're gonna do the Hannah Lee necklace. Now, the thing that's really different about the Hannah Lee necklace is that the enclosure is a toggle bar clasp, which I personally have never had jewelry that looks like that. But basically you put it in here, push it in, and voila. So this necklace is so freaking cute. It kind of reminds me a little bit of Titanic. You know how she has that blue heart? But obviously this one's red. This is 14K gold on brass. It is cubic zirconia, and the length is also 18 inches, and it doesn't have like an extender like the other necklace does, but you can actually layer them. I did here, and it looks pretty cute. Definitely a statement piece for sure. I don't know, I just feel like this gives such beautiful feminine energy, and it isn't too gaudy. I was kind of afraid that it was a lot bigger than it is, but I think this cute little small version of it makes it not gaudy and very feminine and dainty touch. That's just pretty much what I love about Ana Luisa. I love the dainty, simple necklaces and jewelry. It's just, I'm here for it. I give this necklace a 5 out of 5. It's super cute. I absolutely love so far my experience with Ana Luisa. They have been extremely understanding too, because my mental health wasn't that great when I first started the partnership with them. So they've been completely understanding throughout that and very patient. So I also really appreciate them for that, and I think that that's super cool and chills them. What do you guys think? Which of the pieces is your favorite? I would love to know in the comments. So that concludes my Ana Luisa jewelry review. I hope you guys thoroughly enjoyed it and found it informational. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. I would genuinely appreciate it. And if you haven't already, I would love for you to subscribe. All you have to do is click my face right here, and you can watch some of my other similar videos right here. I hope you guys have a beautiful rest of your day. Bye.